If you're a student, you need to master passive tenses. And we're here to make it easy. Present simple passive. Structure am slash is slash are plus past participle. Example, the book is read by many people. Action now, focus on the book. Past simple passive. Structure was, were, plus past participle. Example, the cake was eaten by the children. Action happened in the past, focus on the cake, present continuous passive. Structure am slash is slash are being plus past participle. Example, the house is being painted by the workers. Ongoing action, focus on the house, past continuous passive. Structure was, were being plus past participle. Example, the song was being sung by the choir. Past ongoing action, focus on the song, present perfect passive. Structure has, have been plus past participle. Example, the letter has been sent by John. Completed action, focus on the letter, past perfect passive. Structure had been plus past participle. Example, the project had been finished by the team before the deadline. Completed before another past event, focus on the project. Future simple passive. Structure, will be plus past participle. Example, the report will be reviewed by the manager. Future action, focus on the report. Future perfect passive. Structure, will have been plus past participle. Example, the task will have been completed by the end of the day. Future completed action, focus on the task. And there you have it. Passive tenses made easy. Happy studying.